Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose Notifications, scroll down again and select an app. For example, Google Play Store. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app will be disabled. You can turn them back on by clicking at the same switcher or choose an app, click on it and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!